My friend passed away the other day, and his mom texted me saying, hey, could you send some pictures of you with him? Because she wanted to have pictures of him with all of his friends shown at his funeral. So I was like, yeah, of course. So I started scrolling through my phone, and it was at that moment where I realized me and my friend, in our 13 years of friendship, have never taken a picture together. We were good friends too. One time a raccoon was chasing me, and he grabbed it and threw it like a frisbee to save me. I guess it's just true what they say about guy friends not taking pictures with each other. And don't get mad at me for laughing, okay? Because even his mom thought this was funny.